A gorgeous digital render of a Gothic skull made entirely of custom building blocks popped up on my feed, and I almost pulled out my credit card on the spot. The site calling itself HelloBricko markets itself as a boutique designer block brand. They display all these stunning products, intricate cats, skeleton hourglasses, mythical dragons, and limited edition sports collectibles. Everything looks sleek, colorful, and perfect for a display shelf. Plus, every single item in their catalog is supposedly marked down by 40 to 50% for a limited annual sale. Now, I genuinely love the custom building block scene. Legitimate alternative brands out there make incredible sets that actually compete with major toy manufacturers on sheer quality and detail. But when an entire store offers endless unique designs at half price with high pressure countdowns, my alarm bells ring loudly. So I decided to investigate the digital paper trail behind the storefront. What I uncovered was a textbook template operation. The site is hosted on a generic white label platform notorious for hosting sketchy pop-up shops. The footer links contain untranslated foreign web code. Their official social media button leads straight to a broken placeholder link that was never even set up. Their tracking system redirects to a low-cost bulk shipping carrier overseas. To top it all off, the store domain was created less than 2 months ago. Consumer safety indexes give this shop an abysmal score of just 1 out of 100. That is basically a rock-bottom warning flag. There are 0 customer reviews across the entire internet, no forum posts, no unboxing videos, and no verified purchases anywhere. Here's the big reality check about custom brick sets that people often overlook. Creating a stunning 3-dimensional picture on a computer screen is relatively easy for any skilled digital designer. Anyone with decent software can render a gorgeous dragon or a detailed skull in a few hours. What is immensely difficult and wildly expensive is actual manufacturing. Crafting physical plastic bricks that fit together with consistent clutch power takes massive factories and tight engineering tolerances. Trusted alternative brands build their reputation over years with thousands of real user photos showing actual completed models. HelloBricko has 0 proof of delivering a single real set. You are not paying for physical plastic, you are placing a financial bet on a polished computer graphic. If you want great display kits, stick to reputable sellers on established platforms with real customer feedback. Avoid short-lived storefronts selling digital promises, because that brand new shop will likely vanish before a box ever reaches your doorstep.